How to create Google Forms using smartphones. First, open your Google Drive and check the account that is logged in. Make sure to log in the account you have just created from our last activity. Close your Google Drive and open Chrome. Make sure to synchronize the login of your Chrome and Google Drive since we are going to create Google Forms in Chrome. If Chrome and Google Drive are synchronized, the Google Forms output will be saved automatically to the Google Drive, hence, so easy to access the created Google Forms. If another account is logged in Chrome, sign it out, and log in the Google account which is logged into your Google Drive. Now that your Google Drive and Chrome are now synced, type in the browser, forms.google.com. Press go on your keyboard. Click blank form. A new blank form is now ready for edit. Now, give a title to your form. Delete the default text letter, just click on the title. Once clicked, press the bold icon before typing on that field, so that your title will have a bold look. The title will be, Use Smartphones in My Community. Provide a description on your form just like the one being showed. To give a name to your Google Forms, just click the entitled form at the top left. It will automatically copy your form title as its form name. Now that your form has a title, description and a form name, close Chrome and check the visibility of your form in Google Drive. Your Google Forms should now appear on your Google Drive. To continue editing your Google Forms, create a new folder on your Google Drive by clicking the plus icon at the bottom left of your screen. Click on Folder, and name it like the one being showed. Click Create. Your new folder is now created on your Google Drive. To share this folder, click the three dots at the right side of the folder. Click on the padlock icon to manage its access. This folder is restricted. Click the Change link. Click on the arrowhead icon at the right. Choose anyone with the link. Now, anyone with the link of this folder can view. Click the arrowhead at the right of Viewer and click Editor. This will make some contents in this folder including Google Forms editable when opened with the device's default browser. Go back to your Drive's user interface. Click the three dots beside the Google Forms to move the form inside the folder to inherit its accessibility. Click Move. Click on the folder you just have created. Click Move. If this prompt appears, click Move. Now your Google Forms is now inside the folder, inheriting the folder's accessibility. Your Google Forms now can be edited even when opened by your device's native internet browser. To continue editing your Google Forms, open the folder and open on your Google Forms. Your Google Forms is now handled by the device's native browser and no longer in Chrome. A prompt to upgrade your browser shows at top of the screen. Ignore the prompt and close it. You can now start editing your Google Forms by starting to enter the schedule of data. Follow along to copy the questions and the necessary adjustments. Now, go back at the start of your Google form. Take a look at the top right most of your screen. If it is other account that is logged in, sign it out. Sign into account that is logged in with your Google Drive. Now that it is already synchronized with your Google Drive, you can now create a sheet to store the form's responses. This sheet is the document of this form, where you can analyze the entire thought of the survey. Click Responses above your Google Forms title. To create a sheet for your Google Forms, click the Sheet button. The sheet for your form's responses is now created. It will now also appear on the folder where your Google Forms is stored. Open the Google Sheets and observe its parts. The first column is the timestamp. It is a system-generated data that auto-captures date, time, hour, minutes, and seconds when a respondent successfully submits a Google Forms. The preceding columns are arranged according to how you arrange the data schedule on your Google Forms. Close the Google Sheets and open your Google Forms. Click the settings above your Forms title. Scroll down and open Presentation. Turn on Show Progress bar. Click on Confirmation message box. After typing the message, click Save. For uniformity, you can copy the sample message. You may pause this video, screenshot the screen, and copy the content of the message. This message appears right after your respondent successfully submitted the form. Go back to your Forms questions. Let's add a header image so that your Google Forms will look more presentable. Click on the customized theme icon above the form's name. For the header, click on Choose Image. You may choose from the various themes, upload your own photos, and select from your recent photos if you have some. For the example, I'll choose Work and School theme. Click Inset. The colors of your form automatically applies the theme you have selected. Close the image if you want to choose another theme. If your mind is fixed with your chosen theme, click Apply. Now you have an elegant look of an online forms. It's now ready to be published. To publish, click on the Publish options at the top. Click Publish. Your Google Forms is now published and ready to accept responses. To copy respondents link, click on the responder link at the top. Enable shorten URL and click on the highlighted link. Editing tools will appear on top. Click Copy. The respondent's link is now copied on your clipboard. Paste the link to your social media or messaging app to get responses. Here's how to share your link. You may copy the following draft post. Make sure not to include the link. You can retrieve your own Google Forms respondent's link on your clipboard. Paste it on the last part of your post. A thumbnail of a Google Forms link will appear below. You may now post it and start receiving respondents. There's no significant difference when sending links in Messenger. Now, here's the question. How should my teacher monitor my Google Forms? Open the folder of your Google Drive that contains the Google Form and the Google Sheets. Click on the three dots and choose Share. On Add People or Groups, copy the email being entered. Click the Send button and your Google Sheets is now monitored by your teacher. Learning to create Google Forms is a bit complicated. Feel free to ask your teacher if you have questions about creating Google Forms. Learning is a lifetime process. So, don't stop learning. Learning is fun.